This is one I really want you to look at closely. I had no idea of this. This is Russian social media. This is called vatnost. And I guess if you're a 21-year-old Russian boy or girl, you tune in to this. And the vatnik that you see in the upper left is always characterized this way. He's got a dingy gray, sort of a gulag uniform that he's wearing. He's always got a red nose because he's been drinking too much putilista vodka. He's got a black eye because he just had a fight with somebody and he's all about violence. He's got brown stains on his trousers, and we'll be happy to attribute that just to dirt. But this is what the Russian masses are increasingly affiliating with. This is the internet working backwards against us. Russian kids identify with this stuff. And you can take a look at some of the other vatnost stuff, and you can pick this off of the internet very easily. But look at some of the associations here, and this is the vatnost movement. But believe me, the 4 or 5 Russians with whom I still have good communication with say this is the real deal. This is what Russian kids are into, and it is so pervasive around the whole country. Don't be surprised that Russians can identify with this spirit. But take a look at what's important here. Personal freedoms, not so much. Stability, yeah. Not rocking the boat, yeah. Ukraine, they rocked the boat. We don't like what they did in Ukraine. And so you have the masses essentially voting against the West, or perhaps even encouraging the Russian leadership to continue this negativity.